Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into managing your college study schedule using Airtable. This is your full 2025 guide to staying organized and on track. First up, we're going to create a new base. This is essentially your study planner, where you'll log and track all your study tasks. So click on the plus icon on your Airtable dashboard, select Start from Scratch, and name it College Study Schedule. Creating a new base allows us to customize our study schedule to suit our specific needs. Now that we've done that, let's create some tables. Click Add a Table, and let's start with 3: courses, assignments, and exams. This helps us because it categorizes our study tasks, making it easier to manage and track. Next up, we're adding fields to our tables. In the Courses table, we'll add fields for course name, instructor, and weekly study hours. In Assignments, we'll add assignment name, course, due date, and status. And in Exams, we'll add exam name, course, exam date, and status. The reason we do this is to capture all the relevant information for each aspect of our study schedule. Now comes the fun part. It's time to link our tables. Assignments and exams need to be linked to courses. Click on the course field in each table, change the field type to link to another record, and select Courses. This helps us because it connects all related tasks, giving us a holistic view of our study schedule. Finally, let's add some views. We can create a calendar view for assignments and exams to visualize our due dates and exam dates. Click on the View button, then Add View, and select Calendar. This way, we can see what's coming up at a glance. And there you have it. You now know how to use Airtable for managing your college study schedule. Remember, the key is to keep your base updated and check it regularly. Thanks for joining us today, and see you next time.